Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Classes with me. Today we will understand about symmetric differences, and this is the last part of the set concept or set series. And why last part and why I have kept this thing at the end, because this is having almost all the collective concept of union, differences, set conversion and everything. And also this is a very important concept in data logic, maths for data analysis, that is sets, and also for data science as well. Data logic, data science means data analysis, data engineering and data science. So what things we will learn? We will first talk about what is symmetric difference. We will also see some example. If you want to check, this is the Python environment. We are using Jupyter notebook, and here we will be taking care of this example. And related to the command or the code that I have written here, I will just copy and paste the same thing in the comment section of this video. Please go check out the pinned comment section, copy the code, paste it into your Python environment like Google Colab or Jupyter notebook or VS Code, whatever you are comfortable with, and go with the flow. That's it. So okay, what things we will learn? We will learn about symmetric difference example that you have seen. We will understand the practical part with the example, and also we will see some mathematical theoretical part, to say maths part and some theoretical part in the whiteboard. So first thing first, what is symmetrical difference? Symmetrical difference means elements that are in one set or the other set but not in both. Let me write it here. Oops. What is the definition? So first thing first, what is the definition of symmetric difference? Symmetric difference means, simple as it is, elements that are in one set or the other set but not in both. So we can write element that are in one set or the other set but not in both. I mean to say, if I show you like this, 10, 20, 30, ठीक है, and here is the B part, 30, 40, 50. So here what I have told, the data which are in one set or the other set but not in both. So here first thing first, we have to see whatever common is there, that should be removed. Common data, common data should be removed, right? ठीक है. What's the common data here? 30 is the common data here. ठीक है. So data that is available in one set, data that is available on the other set, but not the data which is available on both set or the common data. In simple word, we can say common values are removed, unique values are keep. ठीक है. In common word, we can say common sentence. Simple sentence. Common data are what? Removed. Simple. And the data which is unique in all the set are kept. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Are kept. ठीक है. Kept, or I could say shown in the output, right? This is the thing, simple as it is. So right now you have learned about the definition how things work behind the scene. Now let us learn about the formula, maths formula, just for knowledge. I'm saying just for knowledge, no need to understand anything, just for knowledge. Okay, how it is written and all. A, this is how symmetric difference is written, and this is how we write a minus b union b minus a. Okay, this is how we write. So in this a minus b, like this is the data we have told 30, 40, 50. Okay, this is a and this is b. So a minus b, what will left? 10, 20. I'm writing here 40, 50. Okay, union b minus a, what is left? 40, 50, 10, 20. Okay, out of this union, only the common things will be there in the output. 10, 20, 40, 50. Okay, common मतलब unique things will be there in the output. So this is what we get in the output, and this is how maths work behind the scene, and this is the symbol used for symmetric difference. ठीक है, simple, just for knowledge, nothing special about it, just for knowledge, just in case if the recruiter asks. ठीक, right now we will see what things are required to write, or what logic or what concept or what function is used to write, I mean find the output and write the code in Python. So we have a simple code or simple function, better to say simple function for this, that is symmetric difference. Simple function. Okay, it is like this: dot symmetric sy, I think so, symmetric difference. This is the thing, and this is the syntax. So here you have to give a parameter. Here what you have to give a parameter. ठीक है, here you will give set 1, simple. Here what you will give? Set 2. What it is all about. Okay, ठीक है, simple as it is. So here just a minute. Okay, so here what you will give? Set 1, and here what you will give? Set 2. ठीक, maths Python, yeah. So let's write this and let's see what do we get in the output. And let me write symmetric difference. Okay, what is the syntax for this? We have day 1 and day 2. Okay, first thing first, let us see is the data frame is having set or not. First thing first. Okay, because anyhow we have to change this thing to set first, then only we can use it, because this function is only done with the help of set mathematical operations. Okay, and set mathematical operation means curly bracket. Right now let's do this thing. This is day 1 and this is day 2. So let's first convert. Symmetric, I have written the wrong spell. So let's first convert this thing to what we say set. Okay, this is the first thing we will write. We will write set df. In this we will write the column name day 1. Take, this is the thing, and execute it. Oops, object is not callable, but Oh, sorry. Right now it's okay. Set is done. Now for set day 2, let's do it. Same thing we will be doing it. First of all, we have to convert it to set or it won't work. That's why I'm saying. It is done and dusted. Right now, okay, let us do one thing. Why not to just not convert anything to set and then just use it? Let's do this first. So it's like day 1 dot symmetric difference day 2. ठीक है, just to show you what kind of error can we get here. ठीक है, just to showcase that. And let's give what we say variable result. ठीक, let's execute this. So have we received anything here? No, right? Why I'm saying this? Because day 1 is what? It's a column right now. So chalo, let's give this as a column as well. Let's see if it work or not. ठीक है, let's execute it. See what error it is showing. Series object has no attribute that is related to symmetric difference, and this is the reason why we have to change it. So here I will execute it. Done and dusted. Right now you see set day 1, sorry, set day 2. Right now you see the execution part. Here what we get, user 4 and user 1. That means we are getting the result. So user 4 and user 1 are common in, are unique in both the set, that is day 1 and day 2. We have given a variable name for that. So that's why we are getting this in output. And what is the definition of symmetric difference? Definition of symmetric difference is unique data which is available in one set or available in other set but should not be available in both the set. Available in both the set is what? 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So that's why these are removed and only 4 and 1 are there in the output. So in this way we have learned about symmetric differences and how we have removed the common value and how it is easy to implement in Python. But first make sure you convert the list to set, then only it will work. So if you have any doubts related to this topic, you can directly join my live stream, which is free and which is conducted every day in my YouTube channel. Just join my live stream, ask me question. I will personally help you out with your questions related to this topic or related to SQL, Python for data analytics or Power BI. I will help you out. And let me tell you one thing, it is free of cost, no need to take membership and ask questions. Just join my live stream and ask me doubts. How will you get notification of the live stream? Just click on subscribe button with the bell icon. You will get notification about it. And we do live stream each and every day, so you can ask your doubts any day, anytime. Plus if you have any doubts apart and you don't want to ask in live stream or you are not flexible in asking doubts in live stream, you can directly mail me in my mail id given in the description box, or comment section is always open. If you got some knowledge from this video, please click on the like button and share this video to someone who is like changing their non-technical domain to data technical domain and wants to brush up their knowledge in mathematics. Please share this video to them, it would be really helpful. So that's all about it. Let's meet tomorrow in a new video. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning and happy querying.